For assignment number 6, prepare same frame and title block, same as the previous assignments. And first of all, we need to organize this one. We need to fit everything in the middle, and in between somehow should be similar distances. So vertical distance, we have to spread up to this paper. So paper size is 297, so almost 300 millimeters to this side. And then horizontal dimension is 420, so 297 minus 10. 10 means from here 5 millimeter we have, from the top also to the frame we have 5 millimeter, so that's why we're minusing 10 millimeter here. Then minus 80, so 80 millimeter of this size should be minused here. Then 110, this one should be minused. So then remaining value is 97, should be divided by 3. Why by 3? Because we have a distance here, we have a distance here, we have a distance here also. Okay, so these distances should be somehow similar. Okay, so it's almost 30 and something, so we can draw after the frame. So we can leave 30 millimeter and then we can draw this line. Okay, how about horizontal organization? So 420 minusing 20. 20 is from here, so we have 20 millimeter from the left. Then minus 5. Minus 5 means from the right hand side 5 millimeter. Minus 90. Minus 90 is this one. And then minus 80. Minus 80 this one, because this size is equal to here. So 80 can go like this way, can rotate like that way. So that's minus 80. And minus 125. Somehow this one is just, we leave 125. You can leave more, no problem. And remaining value should be divided by 30. So that means the remaining value should be divided by 3. So that will be the final value is 30. Minus 20 minus 5 minus 90 minus 80 minus 125 divided by 3, somehow 33 or something. Yeah, so so from each side, from the frames, we can leave 30 from the top, also 30, and between them also 30. So okay, so we can organize like that. Then so let's start to draw. So from here we can have a 30 millimeter. Then from here also we can have 30 millimeter. Then we can start to draw this 90 millimeter. So half of the 90, 45. So if you start from here, 30, and then 45. 1, 2, 3, 45. So this is the location of this center line. Okay. So we can do now like this vertical line. So use these two rulers to make it perfect center line, and should be vertical 90-degree line. Okay, so the height should be 1 110. So 1, okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, somehow like this. Then from this one we can draw from this central line, we can draw to the both side 20 and 20, so it will be a 40 total. From this place, make again horizontal from the frame, we can refer the frame line. So 20 to the right hand side and 20 to the left hand side. We have like this base, and then 110, 110. So from here also we have 45 to each side, so we can refer that one. One, 2, 3, 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also, if you remember, it should be in between, should be 30 millimeter. 1, 2, 3. So that is for the left view. Again, that is the width is 80 millimeters. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And here will be a center. Then another 40. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So remaining place, we would draw this isometric view. Okay, so then, so we can leave. Yeah. So 30 millimeter, okay, and center line. So 3 centimeter, and then we have 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the center. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So each side 45 millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 45. And then we need to have to draw the center line. Okay, a little bit more, extend. So another side 45. So actually this is center line. 1, 2, 3, 45. Okay, so this one will be like this side. So chain line. A small, short line. In between two long lines. Okay. So now 45 and 90. We can connect them. So upper base and lower base. This is the edges of. And here you can have a top view. 40 to the upper side, the bottom side, then the side. So this is 11.5. So we can do like this way. 11.5. Okay. Then we have 30 millimeter. So that size is 30 millimeter. So it will be like this projection. So use a napkin under your hand. So 15 to the left hand side and 15 to the right hand side. Then connect and then just that is 40, that is 30, and that is 90, that should be 80, and that should be also an 80. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. So 20. That's right. So just put the mark on the right hand side. That will be an top edge. So later on we'll cut this side. So but to draw these edges we need that point. So that point we're marking it here. To the right hand side, just 20 millimeter, just a mark. Then to the upper side another 15. And 20. To the left hand side, and then mark 20 to the right hand side, just mark. Continue this thing. Then make this edge. Make this edge. So there are some part of an edge can be drawn with a line like this. Okay. And we have here the hole, the long hole we have, and then short hole we have, tall one, short one. So in here how to manage. So this is a long hole, half of the long hole, so the quarter part is section, so half section. So this is a long one and that's a short one, so that means this side is front view, so that's the front. So we're looking here from the front view, okay, so front view, and that's a top view, and that's a side view, so that's why you can see this short one, short side. So here the section, here this is a section, that's a section. But when you see it as one, visible side should be appear here, but organized like this. So same thing, symmetric side drawn like this way. So opposite side shown as a visible, but this side as a symmetricity to the another side is shown like this way. Okay, so this is visible side, same like here, but the another side. And this section view, half section view, is shown in here, but it should be here in this on the right hand side, but it's shown as on the left hand side. But that view, left view, left hand side view, left side of the part, right? So this is the front. If this one is front, that's the left, and that's the right. So that view is shown here, and that's correct way. Okay, so that's visible part, and that's section part. And from the top, from the top. The left half is shown without sections, and then here we have section here in this AA plane is cutting this and then showing here section, half section. Okay, not fully shown, just half of this is shown. Why? Because it's symmetric. This is a symmetric object. In symmetric objects you can show just only the half. Okay, so we continue drawing and just measure here from the bottom 18 millimeter to draw this, and then 85 millimeter from the bottom to draw this, and then connect these things. So the distance in between is 18 millimeter. So half of 18 is 9 millimeter here, and 9 millimeter to this side. And on the another side, we have same level, same 85, we have this one. What's the meaning of that one? If you see from the left hand side, you will see this edge. That edge becomes created because of this hole. Okay, so same like this 85 from the bottom, make this line. So we can do that line once we have here from bottom to here 85, and then that's 18, but from here to here also 85, and but this goes until to edge of this, until to edge plane. So that's why we're drawing this line also until to this edge like this. Then we can connect these two lines we can connect like this way. So it should be parallel to this symmetricity line. And then this one also parallel. And the thickness of this small hole, short hole, also 18, so it's shown here inside here. So again 9 to the left and 9 to the right, but the height is given in here, so 50 from the bottom. So 50 millimeter you can measure like that way. So again so we can measure here also 50 millimeter. Just a mark, small mark, and then $50 from the bottom. Then we can connect. So here 9 millimeter to the left, 9 to the right. Then we can draw this line also. Then we can connect these two lines to make an edge like this. can connect these lines also. Until to the edge. Okay. So we need to make now this and that holes. How to make this? I'll show you. To get that point, example, that small hole, so that this hole. To get this point and that point, we need to cut this one. So we need the reference of this slope line, so edge. Okay. So to find this, the position of this this place, for example, this line, and then that edge and that edge, we need to cut this one like this with a plane. So with a second plane. Okay. So we call it second plane method, right? So cut and then find the position on the edge. Find on the position of in this edge. So same thing happening. So when you cut here, okay, extend here, so you will have a point. So that point is a distance from the center to here. You can add from here to here, measure like this. And that's this line for this line, and for this line is here. Okay, so measure from the center to here, and then draw like this. Okay. So let's measure it. So here the measure show us 34. So you can use a compass and put that one, or just you can easily use a ruler and then measure it and then put 34 millimeters. So here, it's in here. And so that is 41, almost 41, yes, 41. So now we need to measure from each side 9 millimeters, and then to make this one 18 millimeter. So then we can draw this. So here it is. Now we need to show this hole. This one. Say if this one is inlet and that one is outlet. So this is a width, and how about here? How to find this one? So we have to find from this one. Measure from this center up to this place, and that will be the bottom edge, and measure from here to here, and that will be upper edge. So, and that's a symmetric. Inlet and output are almost same, so same distance. Okay, so then we can find this one. We can find this one, and the edge of this, or the distance of this will be same like here, 18 millimeter. So that's the symmetricity of that side. So draw this one, extend it on this edge. Then let's measure this. So 36. And that one is 20. 20 from each side you can put a mark here, dot, and the bottom. So measure from each side 9 millimeter. 9 to the left hand side, 9 to the right hand side. Also same. 9 to the left hand side, 9 to the right hand side. Draw only 1/2 here. Only 1/2. So that's wrong. That's wrong point. You have selected. So it should be in here. So now we can connect two lines laser. Like that way. And we can connect here. And we can draw this one. Then we can do like this thing. So we need to find these points. Where is this point is by cutting this AA line. So we need to find any plane from bottom side in between of this hole. In between of this hole. So let's choose a distance 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter is here. So we can measure from here also 4 centimeter. Put a small mark here. Then we can get this kind of horizontal line, and then let's make a like this plane. So when you connect this, what will happen? If you cut this upper side, you'll get the distance from here to here. One from the center. 1, 2, 3. So 30, 35, and 36. 36. Okay. So 36 is from this center can be taken to the upper side and lower side. So 36. So let's find this 36 millimeters. So 36, yes, to this side. Yeah. 36 means from this center to here. That means from here to this side. So you can get like this way also. Just when you cut, it cuts this edge, and then just you can project it to the bottom side. Or you can measure also. That's easy way, more accurate way. 1, 2, 3, 36. Okay, so from here we can connect like this way to the edge, and then you connect. Okay, you can find now this edge location. It should not look to the center because it's not equal trapezoid. Because this side is 40 and that side is 30, so that's why this is not looking to the center. If the bases are same, like square shape, so then that should look to the center. Okay, so now what we do is let's draw this center isometric view. So at the end we'll draw hatching and we'll refine it. So now we have to draw this isometric view. Okay. For that one, we need to find a center. So that's almost 16. So let's make a center here. So 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. And then let's use this one to make it exactly correct horizontal line. So 8 centimeter center is here, but 8 centimeter. So 16. and 8. So here the 8 centimeter. And if you measure this one from an edge, that is 80, 82 or something, yes, here. 82. Same thing happening from upper side. From upper side, same thing happening. 82. So make a mark here. Then connect these lines. With a very thin line, very thin line. And we need to make a horizontal line also here. Very thin line. So now we need to make a 30-degree line. 30-degree line. Just put here a protractor. So try to put the point in this plus, and then that should show a 90. So just measure then 30 degree from here and 30 degree from the another side, and put the mark. Then connect these lines with a very thin line, like this way, and then connect another side. Okay, so now we can measure that's left view, left view items, left view distance should be measured from here to here and from here to here, and this side is not left, so this front plane belongs to this view, but this section on the left hand side belongs to that side, to front view side. Okay, so that should be measured and then put in this axis. Okay. Okay, ready. Now everything is ready. Dimensions, sectionings, except you can refine it, and we need to fill out this title block. Okay, so assignment number 6 ready.